Hi friends, welcome and welcome back. Thank you for joining me today. On today's menu, I'll be sharing with you one of the ways that I make my Nigerian stew. Without wasting much of your time, let's get cooking. I've gone ahead to cook my proteins using my favorite spices and seasonings. And for the proteins, I'll be using some goat meat, some chicken, and I'll be making use of a body. Next, I'll fry my proteins until it's golden brown. This is exactly how your chicken should look like, and but if you want it more crunchy, you can as well fry it for longer time. Once the proteins are well fried, next is to fry the stew. In the same oil that I used to fry my proteins, I'll go ahead to add my chopped onions. I'll allow the onions to fry for about 2 to 3 minutes. I will go in with some ginger and garlic paste. I'll continue to fry for another 2 to 3 minutes. Next, I'll go in with tomato paste, and once I add the tomato paste, I'll stir and cover it to fry for another 5 to 8 minutes. Next, I'll go in with some blended fresh tomatoes and pepper, and I'll cover it to fry for a minimum of 15 minutes on a medium to low heat. After almost 20 minutes, the stew is well fried, and at this point I'll go ahead to add my seasoning cubes, my fried proteins, the meat stock, and I can as well add some water at this point if you want to. Cover and cook for another 8 to 10 minutes on a very low heat. 10 minutes later, the stew is ready to be served. I'll just go ahead to garnish my stew with some colorful bell peppers. Stew can be enjoyed with your white rice, your pasta, your potatoes, your yam. It goes well with basically everything. Thank you once again for watching. If you have watched to this very moment, thank you. I do appreciate your stay here. If you enjoyed the video, please do well to like the video, share, and if you haven't subscribed to the channel, please do well to subscribe to the channel. And I will see you all in my next one. Bye.